This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carolyn Ponton. If you're looking for a homestead or rolling hills water with privacy, you have arrived. This 94+ acre tract has it all. Water, views, pasture, and a 60 by 125 barn with power and water, as well as a tack room, feed room, and a small apartment. Used as a horse farm. Some fencing is still in place, such as a pond and stream on this beautiful tract. Sit back and take a breath. Home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home. Well and 2 septic tanks on the property. For more information, review the details below or contact Carolyn Ponton at 706-632-7311.